Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about a beautiful cap. This cap is suitable for teenagers. For this cap, cast on 90 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. For border, I have knitted 2 into 2 rib, that is knit 2, purl 2. This border is stretchable. The length of the border is 3 inches and total length for this cap is 8 inches. Before I start the decrease, I have knitted 2 rows, that is first row is knit, second row is purl. First row, that is right side, slip 1, knit all. Till the last stitch. And now second row, wrong side, slip 1, purl all till the last stitch. This is the end of pattern. Now I am going to decrease the stitches in this line. Slip first stitch, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am going to decrease here one ring. 2 together, knit 1. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 2 together, 1 knit. So repeat 4 knit, 2 together 1 knit, 4 knit, 2 together 1 knit till the end. End of the line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 2 together 1 knit, 2 together 1 knit. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 2 together 1 knit. This is the end stitch. Second row, we are going to purl it. First one slip, purl all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am finishing my all purl stitches. This is the end one, edge stitch. So third row, slip 1. In previous line we have knitted 4 knit stitches, then 2 together, knit 1. Now we are going to decrease this. 1, 2 and 3. Now 2 together, knit 1. 1, 2, 3 knit, 3 knits. 2 together, knit 1. Again 3 knit. 1, 2, 3. 3 knits. Then 2 together, knit 1. 1, 2, 3. Here 2 together, knit 1. We have to repeat this till the end. So end of the line, again we are going to repeat the same. 1, 2 and 3. 2 together, knit. 2 together, knit 1. 1, 2 and 3. Again 2 together, knit 1. This is the edge stitch. Fourth line. Slip, purl row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till the end. Last few stitches are there. 2, 5th row, slip. So in first row we have knitted 4 stitches and 2 together 1. Second row was wrong side, all purl. Third row was 3 knit, 2 together 1. Fourth one all purl. Fifth row slip 1, 1, 2, then 2 together, knit 1, 2 knit, 2 together, knit 1, 2 knit, 2 together, knit 1. You have to repeat this till the end. Last few stitches. 1, 2, 2 knit, 2 together, knit 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Again wrong side row, all purl stitches. Now 7th row, slip 1. In previous row we have decreased 2 stitches, 2 knit, 2 together. Here we are going to knit 1 knit, 2 together, knit 1, 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 knit 1, 2 together, knit 1, knit 1, 2 together, knit 1, edge stitch, knit 1. 8th row, all purl. So this is 9th row where I am decreasing stitches. Slip 1. Here we have to make 2 together, knit 1. All stitches make 2 together, knit 1, 2 together, knit 1, 2 together, knit 1, 2 together, knit 1. Okay, till the end. 2 together, knit 1, 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 2 together, knit 1. This is the edge stitch, knit 1. So the wrong side row, 10th row, all purl, slip 1, purl all. So here we have completed the decrease. After decreasing the 9th row, there are 17 rings remaining. Now pass all the remaining stitches into sewing needle one by one. This looks very pretty. After finishing, now pull the needle slowly, tight it, and sew till the end. Now pull the thread neatly and tightly. It looks very beautiful. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.